wondered what happens when stealth, speed, and raw power collide? The 2026 B-2 bomber isn't just a war machine, it's a glimpse into the future of aviation. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we dive into the tech of tomorrow, today. In this episode, we're reviewing the newly upgraded 2026 B-2 bomber, a legend reborn with cutting-edge enhancements that redefine air dominance. Design. The B-2's iconic flying wing shape remains intact, but subtle refinements make it sleeker and even more radar-resistant. Advanced composite materials reduce weight and boost stealth. From above, it's a shadow. From below, it's nearly invisible. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 B-2 features upgraded engines offering improved thrust and reduced thermal signature. It boasts a max range of over 7,000 miles without refueling, and an operational ceiling above 50,000 feet. Quiet, long-lasting, and lethal. Features. Internally, this isn't the B-2 you remember. The cockpit is now fully digital with AI-assisted systems, reducing pilot workload. It's compatible with unmanned operation, giving the Air Force flexible deployment options, manned or remote. Technology. Equipped with next-gen radar absorption tech, quantum encrypted communications, and enhanced electronic warfare systems, the 2026 B-2 is built for the battlefield of the future. It's not just stealthy, it's smart. Conclusion. The 2026 B-2 bomber blends legacy and innovation into one terrifyingly effective aircraft. What's your take? Evolution or revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the breakdown, hit like, share with fellow aviation fans, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more deep dives into future tech. Until next time, stay curious.